Welcome back to IO Education. Today, we are diving into the world of creativity with a DIY paper-made squad game that you can easily recreate at home. Get ready to unleash your imagination and embark on an epic adventure with your squad. First up, let's gather our materials. You'll need colorful paper, scissors, glue, markers, and a dash of creativity. Once you have everything ready, it's time to begin crafting our squad members. Let's start by designing our squad members. Whether it's knights, wizards, or superheroes, the choice is yours. Cut out the shapes from the paper and add details like armor, capes, or magical spells using markers. Remember, the more unique each squad member is, the more exciting the game will be. Next, let's delve into the intricate process of constructing the game board. This is where the magic truly happens. Begin by selecting a sturdy foundation. A large piece of cardboard or poster board will suffice. This will serve as the canvas for your epic adventure. With your trusty markers in hand, it's time to unleash your artistic prowess. Sketch out the sprawling landscape of your game world, complete with winding paths, treacherous terrain, and mysterious landmarks waiting to be explored. Perhaps your squad will navigate through dense forests, scale towering mountains, or brave the depths of dark dungeons. But wait, there's more. Enhance the visual appeal of your game board by incorporating captivating details and immersive elements. Scatter obstacles and challenges throughout the landscape, rivers to ford, bridges to cross, and caves to explore. Add strategic points of interest where your squad will encounter enemies, discover treasures, or complete quests that shape the course of their journey. Remember, the game board is more than just a playing surface. It's a portal to a fantastical realm limited only by your imagination. So take your time, unleash your creativity, and watch as your vision comes to life before your very eyes. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure with your paper-made squad. Now that our squad members and game board are ready, it's time to establish the rules. Decide on the objectives, movements, and combat mechanics of the game. Will it be turn-based or real-time action? How will players earn? and outsmarting opponents. Use teamwork and strategy to overcome obstacles and emerge victorious. And there you have it, your very own DIY paper-made squad game. With a little creativity and imagination, the possibilities are endless. So gather your materials, assemble your squad, and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational and entertaining content from AIO Education. Happy gaming!